why English is tough language. So let's talk about this. But first and foremost, that I want to share something or the other. Like I want to tell you that people, those who have good trainers, people, those who have good environment, people, those who are studying in good schools and in good colleges, people, those who like it and they are working for it to improve it, is it difficult for them? Will it be difficult for them? The answer is no, because they have right platform, they have right guidance, they have right good trainers, they have interest and they actually want to improve it, they are working for it, they are doing hard work for it. It's not difficult for them. So English is difficult, but for whom? English is difficult for the people, those who are not in the correct environment, not in the good environment. English is difficult for whom? Those who are not interested to learn English. English is difficult for those who have no good trainers. English is difficult for them who have not joined good coaching class. English is difficult for them who are not working on their language. For them English is difficult language, we can say, but not for those who are like working for it, those who want to improve it, those who are doing something or the other for it. It's not difficult for them. So if we talk about it's difficult, so what is difficult in it? Actually there are so many vocabularies in this language, and we do not learn appropriate vocabularies that we need, that we require, and actually we learn everything. We try to learn everything, and different situations come before us. In that situation we don't find, we don't understand the good kind of words for that, so we think that it is difficult language. Yes, sometimes grammatical structures that we don't use, and that is used to that is not easy to difficult. If we are able to use those sentences, in that situation we say that English is difficult. So it is not kind of difficult thing, it is like unused thing, we can say. It is unused vocab, like it is unused grammatical structures that we are not using. So when we don't use it, then we find it difficult. Like there are so many people can say that riding a car is a difficult thing, riding bike is a difficult thing, driving car is a difficult thing, riding bike is a difficult thing. Like riding a bicycle is also a difficult thing. Because why? Because they are not using it. It will be difficult for them. But people, those who are driving car regularly, those who ride bike regularly, those who ride bicycle regularly, is it difficult for them to ride? They won't complain it. Because why? Because they are working on that. They have good environment, they have good a trainer or teacher for them, those who have taught them, or now they are in they have tried it and they have learned it. So that's why that's not difficult for them. It is difficult for the people, those who are not working for it. It is difficult for the people, those who don't like it. It is difficult for the people those who don't understand the concept of English language. That's why it's difficult. Otherwise, if we talk about English language, it's not difficult. It is like other languages. So not difficult, and we cannot learn everything in every language. So people say, if you speak Hindi, tell me, do you know all the vocabularies of Hindi language? You don't know. Do you know all the grammatical structure of Hindi language? You don't know. Do you know all the things about Marathi language? You don't know. Actually, why you don't know? Because you are not teacher and trainer or professional, those who are working for that, knowing about those things. So that's not the thing, that we have to understand that it is not difficult thing. It is a matter of used and unused, and it is a matter of dislikes, and we can say teachers, trainer, material, and our interest. That's the thing that we have not to understand, and we have not to say this, that English is difficult language. It's an easy language that can be improved, that can be used. So that's the thing. Thanks for watching this video. Keep watching, keep growing, and do something better every single day.